Dear students, as I was giving you the introduction of the lesson, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. And in my introduction, I told you about the characters in the lesson. The author, who is a businessman, 37 years old, his wife, his children. I told you brief summary. Now I would like to tell you that adventure is always risky and dangerous. And generally in European countries, people they risk their property, their life for the sake of adventure. And adventurous life is always loved and liked by all. Even in our case, if we go on the straight road and if we go on zigzag path, certainly zigzag path is enjoyed. When you are going on mountaineering, when you are going for boating, when you are going for flight, so all these things, they are full of adventure. Certainly there is risk. Many people they join armed forces because in armed forces there is adventure. Whether one joins Air Force, Navy or Army, why in armed forces there is a lot of adventure and wonderful life comparing to other professions in other organizations. In other organizations there might be a lot of money and other things, but in armed forces the kind of life, the kind of training which is there, that is unique and rare anywhere else in any other profession. So in this lesson you have seen that there is a very big adventure and the story is very interesting. Just I would like to read one or two stanzas of the lesson. In July 1976, my wife Mary, son Jonathan 6, daughter Susanna 7, and I sailed from Plymouth, England to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. In my introduction, I have already told you that the author, the narrator, started this sea voyage in July 1976, and his whole family, wife Mary, his son Jonathan, who was 6 years old, daughter Susanna, 7 years old, and he himself set sail from Plymouth, England, to duplicate the round the world voyage made 200 years earlier by Captain James Cook. So he repeated this sea voyage which was already done by Captain James Cook 200 years ago. For the longest time, Mary and I, a 37-year-old businessman, had dreamed of sailing in the wake of famous explorer, and for the last 16 years we had spent all our leisure time, free time, honing our seafaring skills in British waters. So now you see the sacrifice of the narrator. He took 16 years in making the boat which was 23 meter in length and 30 ton in weight. And thereafter he practiced in British waters, sea water, everywhere, and he spent all his saving, all the money in this boat. Our boat, Babe Walker, a 23 meter 30 ton wooden hulled, that is ship, Beauty, had been professionally built. This boat was built professionally, and we had spent months fitting it out. In its fitting, in its you see, when it was made, it took a lot of money, a lot of time, months together, and testing it in the roughest weather we could find. And it was tested in roughest weather. Now you see, he had to complete more than 1 lakh kilometer journey in the sea water and in all kinds of weather. So it was really not a fun. It was a very tough test and a very tough task. So in these two small stanzas, you must have understood that how the narrator spent his whole time and 16 years in training with the help of this boat, which he made, took months together, and how he set out on sea voyage, which was really very difficult. Hope you must have understood these two stanzas.